The portal is one of the life stream's many creations and a door to many possibilities. As Cloud and his friends walk through such a portal, they arrive at the sunny Costa del Sol just in time for the beach festival.
I love the beach!
The breeze feels amazing.
Looks like we made it just in time for the festival.
We have to stay for the fireworks competition.
Fireworks, huh? Pyrotechnicians from all over gather to demonstrate their talents.
Today's the day I prove that I'm the better apprentice.
You wish. You've got nothing on me.
Do I sense some bad blood?
It's not like that.
You've got it all wrong.
I'm Tamaya, and this is my sister Hana. We're apprentice pyrotechnicians training under the same master.
We're here for the competition, and the one who places higher will get to graduate from the apprenticeship.
So that's why you were arguing. You two are just like me and my friends back home. Can't wait to see your fireworks tonight.
Hey, think you could give me a hand? I need the best powder to make the best fireworks, and a lot of it.
That's how you want to do this? Fine. Guys, don't help him. Help me instead.
What'd you say?
Got a problem?
Whoa, calm down.
So, where would we get something like that?
The monsters around this area should have what I need.
I heard fireworks made with their powder have the most vibrant colors. With some of that, there's no way I can lose.
So you'd like us to defeat the monsters and collect as much powder as we can?
That's
Yeah,
right. And with it, I can...
All right, that's enough.
Cloud, I think we should help them. I'd love to see their fireworks.
But wouldn't it be unfair to help one and not the other?
Yeah, they both deserve a fair shot.
So we'll help them both.
Good idea. That's fair, right?
I guess.
Great. Then to make things fun, why don't we split into 2 teams and make this a competition?
So the team that collects more powder wins.
Then we'll need to work hard to gather as much as possible. Fine. Let's do it.
How do we pick the teams?
Let's leave that to them.
There's no way I'm gonna lose with this team. I'm counting on you.
Of course! We'll gather all we can to help you light up the sky.
Leave it to us. Bright and beautiful colors are my passion.
You sure about this team? Looks like you picked quantity over quality.
I chose you four because I know you'll win. Now go out there and prove me right.
No hard feelings if we beat you.
Don't worry, you won't.
Why don't we up the stakes? The loser has to do the winner a favor. Anything they want.
You're on.
We're doing pretty good.
Yeah, we definitely have enough to win.
Are you sure? There's 4 of them and only 3 of us.
What's wrong? Wait.
Are you hiding something? It's not empty, is it?
No, it's not that.
Cloud, be honest. Is it our outfits? You're not uncomfortable, are you?
No.
Be honest, you're not uncomfortable, are you? No. Ugh, get a room.
Now. It's hot enough without you getting worked up.
We seem to be at a disadvantage. Let's clear our heads and think of a plan.
I've got one! It's really good! Wanna hear it?
What are you up to now?
Listen up.
Cloud, your face.
What's wrong with my face?
You're flushed. I think you might have a fever.
I'm fine. It's just the sun.
Does it hurt? It looks painful.
Let me put some ointment on that.
Hey!
Gotcha!
Yuffie, what are you doing?
That's ours.
That'll teach you to let your guard down. Oh, I hope you're ready to owe us a favor. Oh, and I stole your bathing suits too.
Bathing suits?
You what?
Yuffie!
Well, that sucks. But what's done is done.
There's no chance of winning now.
We need to get it back.
Don't worry. I have a plan. A really good one.
Think cold thoughts. Ice cream. Ice cubes. Icicles.
Frosty!
I'm feeling a bit chilly. Snowfields, snowballs, snowstorms.
I'm freezing.
I've got goosebumps.
I can't stop shivering.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
We were cooling ourselves down by thinking cold thoughts.
It actually works. Wanna give it a shot?
No way! The heat is gonna feel that much worse when it wears off.
She's right. The sudden change in temperature is making me feel faint.
You've got to hang in there, or you'll be burned to a crisp.
Get in the ocean, now!
This is a disaster. There's no winning now.
You sure about that? Ta-da! feast your eyes on this.
Wait, you didn't go through with your really good plan, did you?
Of course I did. Operation Five Finger Discount was a huge success. I stole their bag of powder and the win.
Ruthless!
I also stole their bathing suits to help us stay cool. I call dibs on Aerith's. Barret, you look good in uniform, so you get Cloud's.
This ain't bad.
But that only leaves one.
I got it! You and Red can share Tifa's.
Yuffie, I hate to interrupt the fun, but where's the powder?
Right here! See? Courtesy of Team Cloud.
That's odd. I don't smell powder at all.
Are you messing with me? Fine, I'll prove. What the? It's sand!
What?
Sand!
I heard yelling. Everything all right?
Thanks for the gift earlier, Yuffie.
Hey, that's mine! Give it back!
You left it behind, so it must have been meant for us, right?
That's cheating! Come on, give it back!
You tried to steal our stash first. If that's not cheating, then neither is this.
You knew I was gonna try something, didn't you?
It's just smart to have a decoy on hand when you're around.
Swindling the swindler. I'm almost impressed.
Hey, how's it going?
Did you get what we asked for?
Yeah, right here.
Thanks! I'll be able to make all kinds of fireworks with this.
Looking forward to it.
This is all of it, huh?
Sorry, we did what we could.
Don't worry about it. This may not be enough for someone like Hana, but I can make it work.
Huh? You think you're better than me?
I know I am.
Oh, do you now?
Yeah? So what?
Stop it, you two. Shouldn't you be getting to work?
Yeah, you're right. I'll see you later.
There's still time before the competition, right? We'll see what we can scrape up.
You're a lifesaver. Well, guess I'll get back to it too.
We won, so you owe us, right? 2,000 gil. Cough it up.
Ooh, you make me so mad.
I'll consider this as payment to help you guys collect more of that powder.
Won't say no to that. Then let's go.
Cloud and his friends set out to gather more powder for Tamaya and Hana. But the clock was ticking as the competition drew near. As the competition draws near, Tamaya and Hana are in the midst of putting the finishing touches on their handiwork.
Damn it! There's no way I'm making the competition now.
Something wrong?
That cheater! Tamaya doused my fireworks with water. They're completely ruined.
He did what?
All of your fireworks?
Yeah, every single one.
I don't know. I doubt he'd do something like this.
But who else would sabotage me? He didn't want me to win. Plain and simple.
It wasn't me, I swear. My fireworks are doused too, just like yours.
Really? Then it must have been someone else who wanted us out of the competition.
No. Whoever did it ruined everyone's fireworks.
No one knows what to do now.
We'll just have to work quickly and do what we can.
But even if we make more fireworks, there's no way we'll get everything ready in time.
We can help set things up.
Thanks, but it's not as easy as it sounds. It requires special knowledge and skill.
Good to know.
Hey, over there.
They say they wanted to shut down our show so they could light up the sky with their own fireworks.
Damn it! How could you do something like that?
Apparently, the night sky is the stage for their own celebration, and they're set on making sure ours doesn't happen.
Wait, so they know how to use fireworks?
They say that they can easily put on a beautiful show with any firework.
Do you think they could help us out?
The night sky belongs to them, but they're willing to give us a hand.
Not a fan of their tone, but this means we can focus on making new fireworks.
Can you round up some more of them? We can use all the help we can get.
Sure, anything for the show. We don't have a lot of time, so we should split up to cover more ground.
Then how about another competition? The team that rounds up the most cactuars wins!
Come on, we need to take this seriously. They're counting on us.
I am taking it seriously. It's been proven that a little bit of competition yields better results, you know.
She's right.
Just look at Tamaya and Hana.
I say, bring it on!
Let's help them light up the sky.
So what's the prize?
The winner gets to choose. Deal?
Deal!
Hey, Cloud, how'd you do?
Not bad. We did what we could.
You guys look pretty sure of yourselves.
Well, yeah. This time I used the ninja art of shadow cloning for extra efficiency.
Thanks! Would you mind assigning some of them to the others? I want to make sure everyone gets the help they need.
Yeah, there's no point in winning if she's my only competition.
Excellent idea.
I'm glad our efforts will help everyone.
All right, all the helpers have been assigned.
Everyone was so grateful.
How about you two? Looking good for the show?
I thought so, until I realized I don't have enough helpers to make it happen.
Me neither. I don't have enough hands to help me launch each firework at the right time.
What? And there's nothing you can do?
We'll round up more helpers. There's still time.
Yeah.
Hey, I have an idea.
Me too! But you first.
Okay, how about the winning team gets the help of all the cactuars, including the ones rounded up by the losing team?
You read my mind!
But doesn't that mean one of you'll have to forfeit the competition?
Are you sure you want to bet something so important on us?
The most important thing is giving the crowd an experience they'll never forget, even if it means setting our ambitions aside.
Yeah! If I get to put on a show, I want it to be one that makes our master proud.
No more games.
Agreed. We're going all in.
We're gonna beat you so bad this time.
I can use my fortune telling to find the best way to round up the help they need.
And I'll sniff them out.
This is a big responsibility.
We'll do everything we can. In the meantime, you two focus on doing what you do best.
And now, the moment you've been waiting for.
The winner of the Cactuar Roundup is...
Team Cloud!
Yes!
We did it!
No!
What a shame.
We just fell short. There's no beating Cloud at anything.
Oh, we're so sorry, man.
Don't sweat it. A good fireworks show depends on a lot of things that are out of our control, like the weather or wind. And this just happened to be one of those things.
But wasn't this your big chance to prove yourself?
Yeah, but there's always next time.
I really wanted to see both of them in action.
Is there anything more we can do?
I doubt it. The competition's starting soon.
Oh! Speaking of competitions, have you chosen a prize?
Yeah, I want the two of you to put on a show for us one day.
I like that idea.
Yeah.
Can't wait!
You got it!
Hana, we better go, or we're gonna be late.
All right, we're off. You should snag some good seats for the show. You helped make it happen, after all.
let's go find a place to watch the show.
I wish there were somewhere quiet we could go.
I know the best spot!
Why don't you invite someone to watch the show with you?
Who should I ask?
Hey, I think the show's about to start. Wow, it's beautiful.
Sure is. But it's not the same as the shows back in Nibelheim.
Yeah, I really enjoyed those. Watching the fireworks with the trees and mountains in the distance. With my dad and my friends. Now that I think about it, I don't think I ever saw you at any of the shows.
My mom made me go with her. She dragged me outside, even though I was happy watching it from my bedroom window.
Why doesn't that surprise me? Never thought I'd be here enjoying fireworks with you.
Yeah, me neither.
Sure you wouldn't enjoy it more watching through a window?
No, I prefer this.
Yeah, I hear you. With only the ocean and the sky, it feels like the fireworks have more freedom?
It's not just that.
Then what?
Nothing. Forget it. I hope we get a chance to do this again.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Sorry I'm late. I decided to change. What do you think?
You look nice.
What? Sorry, what did you say? I couldn't hear you over the fireworks.
You look nice.
Sorry, what was that?
Nothing. Forget it. Are your ears okay?
They're ringing a little, but otherwise, yeah. I can barely hear what you're saying, though.
I didn't know it'd be this loud. I've never seen fireworks this close before.
Yeah? Me neither. But as a soldier, I thought you would have experienced everything since you've practically been all over the world.
I'm still learning about a lot of things. From you too.
Really? Like what?
Things.
Okay, then name one thing I've taught you.
When I'm with you, you bring out a part of me that I didn't know existed.
Sorry, what was that?
Nothing. I'll leave it to your imagination.
Oh, stupid fireworks. I do love the sound, though. You can feel it with your whole body. It's like your heartbeat is synced with the sky, the ocean, the wind.
Yeah.
I want to travel the world and experience this feeling everywhere I go. Together with you, and the part of yourself that you didn't know existed.
You heard that?
I'll leave it to your imagination.
Cloud, over here! Wow! This is nothing like back home! The colors, the performance...
What's it like back in Wutai?
Fireworks are actually a form of ninjutsu. We use them all the time during shinobi training. Let's see. We use smoke signals for communication and pyrotechnics in battle. And decorative fireworks are used to boost morale.
How does it work?
That? It's a shinobi secret.
Right.
That's it? You're gonna let it go?
You just said it was a secret.
Well, yeah. I can't tell you how I do it, but I can show you.
Sure. Maybe later.
No, I want to show you now. I trained so hard to get good at it. Watch and be amazed. Aw, come on! I was about to do something awesome! Okay, my fireworks can wait.
All right. Looking forward to seeing it.
I'm gonna make him fall for me so he'll want to give me all his materia.
Hey! Did you guys catch the show?
Yeah, it was amazing.
I heard it was your best yet.
Congratulations! Now you're a full-fledged pyrotechnician.
Actually, I'm not.
How come?
Well, the prize was a fireworks show that we both put on, right?
So we teamed up.
What did your master say?
That we're
half-fledged
half-fledged pyrotechnicians. But it's okay, because we learned something important.
We're not doing this to prove ourselves to our master. We're doing this to excite and inspire people.
And the best way to do that is by working together.
So, that's what we're gonna do.
Is that a good idea? What if you end up fighting all the time?
If that's what it takes.
I can't wait to see your next show.
Well, you don't have to wait, because there's more to come.
Once we decided to work together, the ideas just kept flowing, and we ended up making a lot more than we anticipated.
You two are so different. I bet you ended up with such original and unique creations.
The show's been amazing so far, but I'm excited to see what else you have for us.
Just remember that we played a big part in this too.
And with that,
Enjoy the show!
As Cloud and his friends watched the fireworks light up the sky, the exciting and inspiring night in Costa del Sol was forever engraved in their memories.